Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 12C, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now for this you'll need a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you can use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, push the pin in, and the tray comes out, as you can see. From here you can take it out of the device, and you'll have space for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. So place the cards on the tray and then carefully insert it back into your phone. Now the cards should start working right away. So it's looking for reception. And it also just gave me a notification that it detected a SD card. Now it's struggling to find reception for some reason, but obviously SD card was detected, so I'm not sure why it's not. Oh, there we go. It found the reception. Okay, so there we go. That is how we can insert your SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.